Alright, enough of free cerveza. Time to continue the trip towards Antigua. Many people are actually taking tourists some vans to go there, but I prefer public transportation, the so-called chicken buses. They are old United States school buses which has been now used here for public transportation. They're not very reliable. Robberies happen in those, especially tourists might lose their money. So let's take a risk. It's cheaper anyways than taking a van. Sí, Panajachel. Pana. Aquí. Ok, vale. Gracias. We're back in Panajachel. Before starting the journey, I need to get something to eat. Maybe some street food, maybe some bakery. Hola.
Hola.
¿Qué es este sopa?
Es atol de masa, es de maíz.
Es maíz. Okay.
Ajá, es como sopa.
Ok, vale.
Ajá.
¿Cuánto cuesta uno?
Este 4 que sale.
¿Es atol chuco o es el blanco?
That's the first time somebody's been like...
Let's try. It's really good. Sololá. Sí. No, gracias. So there was not so much information in the internet, and actually all the information was from Antigua to here and not the other way around what I'm doing. But I'm still trying to use about the same road. It will take 4 buses or chicken buses or however it is should be called. Let's see. Not sure what this means. You gotta sit here, neither in there, not here, here. Los Encuentros. Aquí. Sí. Gracias. We arrived at the first town, Sololá, and the next one will be Los Encuentros, about half an hour journey. Los Encuentros. Gracias, amigo.
¿Papito, paraguate?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
¿A dónde va? ¿Chima? 30 quetzalitos, pa.
30 que
Ajá. Pase adelante, papi. Pase adelante. Ya no vamos. Agarra tu vasito, papito.
Pero va que me dijo porque tampoco me la chamusca, a ver, si mañana quiere que vaya, yo que a las 7, me dijo que corrimos, pero por empieza el encuentro.
We're so high up in the mountains that we are actually in a cloud. Bus, ahí, ok, vale, gracias. That was fast change. Now on a chicken bus on the way to Antigua.
Antigua, yes.
Antigua, yes. Vale.
Lo tiramos, vieja Bacelate, esquita.
Los chavos quitando.
Ah, Antigua.
Esquita, lo tiramos.
So why the term chicken bus? It's not actually used by locals, only by tourists. Because sometimes these are not transporting only people, but there's also animals, anything can be found inside. So here we are in Antigua. Let's explore. Seems to be a kind of a market here. And surprisingly, not so many tourists. This is probably the most touristy place apart from the Lake Atitlán in the whole country. Hola. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Yes.
10. Ok, este. We have here pepian stew, which is one of the national dishes in Guatemala. I've not tried it before, so let's give it a go. Amazing.
I found one packet. I found 10 grams, 5 grams, good price.
Ah, más tarde.
Right
tal
now,
vez.
good price.
Yeah, not need now.
Okay.
Not need now. Later maybe.
Para músico.
Sí, es muy bonita, pero no tengo espacio en mi
Pero
mochila.
cabe aquí,
Sí,
Sí,
no
cabe
mucho
a
espacio.
buen precio por aquí. La plata, mire la plata, mire.
No posible.
No posible.
No,
Oh.
no es.
Los imanes, eso no mucho, no ocupa mucho lugar, mire.
Yo
Los
tengo
imanes,
uno.
uno más,
No,
un regalo para tu hermano, para
Gracias,
tu cuñado,
amigo.
para tu amigo, para tu enemigo.
Más tarde tal vez. Más tarde tal vez. I guess this park is the most touristy place in whole Antigua because all the sellers are here and trying to sell you all the time something every minute. Más tarde. Más tarde tal vez. Más tarde tal vez.
You want to smoke something for tonight?
What?
You want to smoke something for tonight?
Maybe later. I need to do tomorrow the Antigua.
Chimaltenango, I have a good price for because I have for tomorrow. I have for people more. I have a special price.
Good price, half?
Más tarde. Tal vez. I still have one more chicken bus for today. I'm gonna stay at Couchsurfing, and my Couchsurfing host is actually not living inside Antigua, but actually in a neighbor town. Chimaltenango, ya, sí, Parramos. Parramos, aquí, gracias.
¡Parramos, chivos, parramos, chivos, parramos, chivos!
Gracias, amigo. How are you doing?
Ah, yeah.
Hi, Miro. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Mucho gusto. So, Hugo, what are we drinking now?
We are drinking atol blanco and atol de chocolate, arroz con chocolate.
Okay. And this includes
Beans, this includes also another spices, but the best thing is the corn.
okay. Yeah, it's really good and it's warm. Because there is a really cold. Exactly. It's like Finland.
see-
What is this food?
These are chuchitos.
Uh-huh.
Is maize, corn with tomato sauce and also meat
Okay.
inside. And also you can see avocado. We call this guacamole.
Okay.
No.
New try.